I'm not sure if it's for you, but there's a new way to triple your commissions and income in sales instead of those old sales training trends you've tried before. If you don't learn a simple, straightforward way to ask skillful questions, handle objections, and know exactly what to say to close the sale, making mid to high six figures or even $1 million a year in sales is going to be next to impossible for you. What thousands of people just like you in sales careers just like yours have discovered is, once you learn a simple formula for what questions to ask, when and how to ask them, how to close and how to follow up, doubling the money you make is simple. Now throw in a coach, somebody you can ask direct questions to about your deals, somebody who's there with you every step of the way. Not only is it simple to double or triple the amount of money you're making in sales, you typically start making the money you need to truly enjoy your life within about 60 days. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. Click the link here to learn how we've helped thousands of everyday salespeople make mid six figures or over $1 million a year in sales with the exact same sales jobs they have right now. And if you're looking for proof, we've got thousands of video testimonials from people just like you to prove it. Click the link here to see how our Netflix-style interactive video coaching portal and live coaching with me twice a week is going to help you double or triple the amount of money you're making within 60 days. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way as you finally start making the money you deserve. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. There's a new way to triple your income in sales. Click the link here to see it.